Hi, I'm Kyle Miller, Solutions Engineer with DJI, and today we're on site with the Titan Protection to be able to install the very new DJI Dock 3. The installation process has been very simple so far. Been able to just hook it up to power, hook it up to Ethernet, and from there it's a pretty simple 5 to 10 minute deployment just using an Android device.
It does bring a lot more versatility in the way that you can deploy it in a new drone in it with the new Matrice 4. So it has a better sensor with the zoom capabilities and also a Starlight sensor that allows you to see essentially colors at night. So very incredible. This gives you more situational awareness throughout the day and night.
We've been able to also do a couple additional things such as set alternative landing sites, as well as add this dock to the correct project for Titan Protection. Now we can go ahead and do a little bit of training on how we can then utilize this drone remotely and this dock remotely for security purposes. One of the things that I'm most excited about with the partnership with Titan and DJI is the wide variety of use cases. A lot of them are focused on public safety and security purposes, but we have a lot of different tools that DJI has built in to then be able to utilize for security. And to be able to get feedback from such a trusted source when it comes to the security field, we can then get that and incorporate it in to make a better product for more advanced security. And thank you all for coming out to Kansas City and be able to watch us install, train, and execute on DJI Dock 3.